Hi there, Lavinia Osbourne here again. This is my testimony, my second testimonial for the Abundance family, but this time I'm doing it from a different slant. So in my first testimonial, I talked about my personal experience in the Abundance family, which has just been wonderful. It's just been a blessing, and it's just great to be part of something that actually works, you know. So more importantly, it's even more wonderful to be part of a community that works for you, but works for the people around you. Since day one, from the moment I joined February the 26th, I have seen people being gifted. The money goes directly to the individual. It doesn't go through, you know, we're not a company, we're not a business, so it doesn't go through a company. There's no bank account for the Abundance family. It goes directly to the individual who is the receiving elder in the family. If you don't understand what that means, that's fine. Once you're in the family, you will understand and get to know, you know, and obviously that is up to you. What you put in is what you will get out. And, you know, right now, as the Abundance family is growing, we're looking for people who are like-minded, who are interested in learning, engaging, and empowering each other. And obviously that takes time. But for the people that I've brought in, they are like-minded, they are like me, and they have engaged. And, you know, I've brought in over directly and indirectly. So what I mean by indirectly, I've brought in someone, and then they've brought someone in, and then they've brought in, and then that second, so like a third generation, if you want to put it. So I've brought someone in, they brought someone in, and then they brought someone in. So I've brought in over 30 people at least, and that's in the space of six weeks, call it 6-7 weeks. And one of the people I brought in is my godmother, and I won't use her name. And she says that she joined because, you know, she just thought, well, why not? You know, I know Lavinia, even though she was skeptical, she said that she would join. Anyway, she was missing in action for about a week. This is last week. And then I get a phone. I was calling her, couldn't get hold of her, finally got hold of her, or she called me. She was like, Lavinia, call me. So I called her, and I'm like, where have you been? And she's like, Lavinia, I just looked at my PayPal account and I've got over £200. What is going on? And I was like, yeah, this is why I've been trying to call you to tell you that you became an elder. And she was like, oh my gosh, I can't believe this. This is just like amazing. And you know, like what I will say, and Soraya, the person who, you know, who initiated the Abundance family here in the UK, and it is a global entity, so it's UK based, UK jurisdiction, but we are, you know, we have people from Trinidad and Tobago, from Jamaica, from Nigeria, from United States. So, you know, this is a global community in and of itself. That's my computer, just ignore it. With that being said, she was just like, wow, I can't believe this is happening. And, you know, she said she was a little bit skeptical. Anyway, point being, and this is a little story, her mother, who would be old enough to be my grandmother, helped my mom out with me and my twin sister. And now I've helped her out, and she says with this money that she's gaining, because remember, you put 28 in, and then you give 28 in, and then you're gifted 1,568. And here in the UK, you can receive gifts up to £3,000 tax free. Okay, it's not an income; these are gifts. Okay, and she says that she's going to use the money to pay for the tombstones of her parents in Jamaica. And that really touched my heart, because her mom helped my mom, and via that relationship, I had a relationship with her. And all these years later, I'm now able to help her, and she's going to, you know, use the money that's been gifted to her to pay for the tombstones for her parents. To me, that's full circle, and for me, that's really beautiful. And so for me, I see how it's touching the people's lives who I have brought in. And there's more stories I could tell you, but this testimonial would go on forever and a day. So if you are interested in joining, you know, join not only for yourself, but the people you can help, the lives that you can touch. And if you're already in the Abundance family, share this opportunity. Why would you keep this to yourself? And if this is not working for you the way it's working for me, then perhaps you need to reach out, ask for help, be open to receive that help, and not only be open to receive it, but take action on the advice, the direction that is given to you. So that's me. Abundance Family Testimony 2. Enjoy, and to your abundance. Bye.